Okay, today we're going to show you how to get your Maths Online interview assessment data off the Maths Online interview website so that you can use it to inform your teaching. You're going to need two things for this. The first thing you're going to need is access to the Maths Online interview. The second thing you'll need is the blank spreadsheet. First of all, you need to go to the Maths Online interview, select Profiles. After you've done this, you need to choose the profile that you want. You need the group profile for spreadsheet. And if you're a grade 1 teacher and it's currently semester 2, you choose grade 1 semester 2. Likewise, if you are a grade 2 teacher and it's semester 1 now, choose that one, but we're going to go for grade 1 semester 2. Okay, after you've done that, click finish. Now this is going to output all of the number results for the interview. We're going to focus on the number ones in particular, but we're going to split the number results up into the 4 different sections of the number part of the interview. So here's all of the number data. The first one we're going to look at is the counting data. So we click on counting here. Okay. Now you have to select everything from the title and all of the data down to the last little bit and copy that. So we can, if I right click or if I go to edit and copy, and now I open up my spreadsheet, and you can see down here we've got counting, place value, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Choose the right one. This one's counting data, and I need to paste that data into A2. Okay, and paste. Alright, now the data's gone in. There's a bit of stuff here that we don't need, so we'll delete the things that we don't need. First of all, we don't need these rows. They're titles. We can just get rid of them. So highlight these and delete. And the other thing I need to do is select all of the student numbers. The Maths Online interview on this spreadsheet doesn't actually give you the students' names, which is a little bit annoying, but you can match the students' names to their student codes quite easily from other information on the website. So Control X to cut that. So I've cut that, and I'm going to paste it into the student ID column, which is the correct column. These ones are here because these students are grade 1s. Okay. These two columns here, coach name and my TO number, I don't need, so I can delete those columns. This 5372 is the school number. I can delete all that, and I'll come back later on and I'll pop in all of the students' surnames and first names. Okay, so here's all our data here, and you can see these are the counting growth points along the top. It's put in, so this student here got questions 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12 correct on the interview. They're all counting questions. That's a total of 8 questions. That 8, the spreadsheet automatically inputs the highest growth point that that child has achieved. Okay. What we can now do is sort our data. So I'm going to select all of this. Now down here you can see there's a couple of blank spaces. What I'm going to do is just drag this down, and that will automatically fill them up because the formulas have pasted down. I'm going to select all of this data here. So I'll leave the headings at the top, and I want to sort all of that so that they're in order from lowest to highest. I can select sort and filter, custom sort, sort by the column count, the count column, which is this one, on value smallest to largest. Okay. Alright, and now it has organized the data into sort of bands of kids that all have the same growth point. So all these students here, I can see all these students here, they have all reached growth point 12. The next growth point after growth point 12 is over here. All the growth points are over here if you're looking for them. So they can confidently count a collection of 20 objects. So So their next point of growth is count by ones forwards and backwards from various starting points between 1 and 100. So that gives me my teaching focus for that group of children next. Okay, after you've done this, the next step is to go and get your place value data, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and put it into the spreadsheets in these pages. Hopefully that's helpful.